Hi guys, so today I am going to do an unboxing video of the Sennheiser E906 microphone. I bought it off of Thomann because it was half price for Black Friday, and I picked up a few other things for the band. I've wanted one of these mics for a long time, mainly because it's a front address mic. So you can see here I have a Millennium cymbal bag for my band's drummer. Some moon gel again for the drummer. Some 7-string string sets, 2 for the guitarist in my band and 1 for myself, just to make up the €200 Thomann free shipping thing. I also bought 2 Millennium stubby microphones because they just come in handy. And here it is, the Sennheiser E906. And just checking, is anything left in the box? No. So let's see. It already looks pretty beautiful. A nice little zoom in for you guys. And let's see what else is in here. Manual for it. User instructions. And a nice microphone clip. I don't think most of my other microphone clips will work with it because of the size of the cases. It also comes with a nice cloth carry bag, dust bag or whatever you would call it, to keep it safe. I was hoping there might be some stickers included because I'm kind of addicted to covering my guitar case in random stickers from brands I buy, or pedal stickers or whatever. We have a nice diagram of the polar pattern. And here is the microphone taken out of its inner casing. As you can see, it's a front address microphone, which is really great from hanging from the front of amps if you don't have enough mic stands in a live situation or just to declutter the stage or studio room. It has a 3-way switch for high pass, low pass and flat built-in EQ. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, like and subscribe, and I will try and put up some more interesting videos. I'm aiming to put up 1 video a week, hopefully more interesting things than just unboxing, but I thought this would be kind of cool.